Hello, welcome once again to my channel everyone. In this video I share with you how I prepare this yummy okra soup with less or little oil with a special leaf. Here this leaf is called ugbogulu leaf. Do you know it? Have you eaten it before? Do you know how to prepare it for your okra soup? Keep watching because I will share how to prepare it with this okra soup with you, and let's dive into it everyone. So for my other ingredients, I have okra, I have dry fish, asa and catfish, then I have my snail already washed, and I have some scotch bonnet pepper. Seasoning, we are not using all of that. Onions. So to prepare these things, I need to blend the scotch bonnet pepper with onions together. We're not using even meat for this very soup. It's a very simple and yummy okra soup. Keep watching, don't go away. So in my pot, I will add my dry fish after washing, snail and seasoning, then my already chopped onions, and then I will add my blended scotch bonnet pepper and some onions, and then I will add some water and allow to simmer. The reason I add water is because the snail and the fish will not moisture that much. So while that is aside, here is our okra. This, I love cutting my okra with hand. You could grate it if you love that. Next, this is how we prepare this leaf now. It has a very broad leaf and a very long stem too. So we're going to be cutting it bit by bit, and then after cutting it, you do exactly what you see me doing on the screen, because the body of the leaf is a bit it has like a thorn, like, will I call it a thorn? Yeah. So you have to take your time to cut them into parts, just exactly what I do on the screen everyone. Then after preparing it, you give it a very proper wash. This leaf the stem has a hole like in that can contain enough water everyone. So but this leaf is a very special leaf. In here this leaf, this is the season for this very leaf. So after washing it, I will cut it the same way you cut your vegetable leaf, your pumpkin leaf, but some like to use hand to cut it the same way you cut your okra leaf. Which do you prefer, cutting it with knife or cutting it with hand like okra leaf? Let me know at the comment section down below everyone. So after cutting this leaf, I'll set it aside. Now the fish and the snail is properly cooked, so I will set the snail aside. Keep watching and don't go away. It is a very simple recipe I am sharing with you. So I said it's a little or no oil, so I'm just adding 60 ml of oil, and then I will go in with my crayfish. Add crayfish according to your taste, and then I will cover for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the soup is almost ready, so I go in with my already chopped okra and leave to heat for 1 minute. And after 1 minute, 60 seconds to 1 minute everyone, next I will add back my dry fish and my snail and cover. After a minute, I will go in with my already chopped ugbogulu leaf. So this recipe, this very soup doesn't need much proteins. Just fish and snail is enough, and it was super delicious. This could go with any swallow of your choice, eba, samo, fufu. The choice is yours. Let me know at the comment section what you think about this simple ugbogulu leaf with okra recipe. And if you would like to see more of this video, don't forget to like, comment and share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay connected, and see you in the next video. Bye.